Lesson 68. Listen, write, read, and repeat. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. I sweep the floor. You vacuum the carpets. He water the plants. She dust the furniture. We do the laundry. You mop the floor. They set the table. My mother do the laundry. Your mother mop the floor. His mother vacuum the carpets. Her mother dust the furniture. Our mother set the table. Their mother do the laundry. My father water the plants. Your father walk the dog. His father mow the lawn. Our father set the table. Their father sweep the floor. My son sweep the floor. My daughter do the laundry. Your son water the plants. Your daughter vacuum the carpets. His son mow the lawn. His daughter dust the furniture. Her son walk the dog. Her daughter mop the floor. Our son sweep the floor. Our daughter set the table. Their son walk the dog. Their daughter vacuum the carpets. My sister dust the furniture. My brother sweep the floor. Your sister set the table. Your brother mow the lawn. His sister do the laundry. His brother walk the dog. Her sister set the table. Her brother water the plants. Our sister dust the furniture. Our brother mop the floor. Their sister set the table. Their brother water the plants. My grandmother, my grandfather, your grandmother, your grandfather, his grandmother, his grandfather, her grandmother, her grandfather, our grandmother, our grandfather, their grandmother, their grandfather. My grandmother does the furniture. Your grandfather watered the plants. Her grandmother set the table. My uncle, my aunt, your uncle, your aunt, his uncle, his aunt, her uncle, her aunt, our uncle, our aunt, their uncle, their aunt. My uncle watered the plants. Your aunt vacuumed the carpets. His uncle walked the dog. Her aunt set the table. My cousin, your cousin, his cousin, her cousin, our cousin, their cousin. My cousin watered the plants. Your cousin sets the table. His cousin walked the dog. Their cousin dusted the furniture. Her cousin vacuumed the carpets. My friend, your friend, his friend, her friend, our friend, their friend. My friend swept the floor. Your friend do the laundry. His friend vacuumed the carpets. Her friends walk the dog. My girlfriend, my boyfriend, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, his girlfriend, his boyfriend, her girlfriend, her boyfriend, our girlfriend, our boyfriend, their girlfriend, their boyfriend. My girlfriend vacuumed the carpets. Your boyfriend walked the dog. I get up. You make bed. He wash hands. She wash face. We go to school. They have dinner. I have a shower. You come here. He have breakfast. She have lunch. We go to school. They learn at school. I watch TV. You go to bed. He do homework. She read a book. My mother make bed. Your father watch TV. His mother comb hair. Her father have breakfast. Our mother get dressed. Their father go to bed. Read and repeat in the same order. My daughter make bed. My son wash hands. Your daughter comb hair. Your son brush teeth. His daughter read a book. His son sleep. Her daughter have lunch. Her son do homework. Our daughter get dressed. Our son have a shower. My sister make bed. Your brother have breakfast. His sister read a book. Her brother go to bed. Our sister get dressed. Their brother do homework. My grandma, my grandpa, your grandma, your grandpa, his grandma, his grandpa, her grandma, her grandpa, our grandpa, their grandma, their grandpa. Read and repeat in the same order. My neighbor go to school. Your neighbor learn at school. His neighbor have dinner. Her neighbor have lunch. Our neighbor get back home. Their neighbor have breakfast. My family go to school. Your family have dinner. His family watch TV. Our family have breakfast. Their family have lunch. Read and repeat in the same order. I live every moment. You sing a song. He go for a run. She find joy in the small things. It cook something yummy. We read a book. They take a drive. I dance. You meditate. He write in your dream journal. We talk to a friend. They dance. Read and repeat in the same order. See you soon. Next lessons.